Hello everyone! Today I'm here to show you the unboxing for my September Wild Hare Kits. This is another deluxe kit and I am so excited to share with you everything that Allison included. So I'll go ahead and read you the note she wrote. She says, "We hope you love your September kit. We hit on lots of your requests, some Maggie Holmes, the One Canoe 2 date stamp, some faith-based products and labels in the form of a cut-apart sheet. We also sent our September exclusive cut file. Enjoy." So I did submit quite a few things that I liked that I saw in other people's unboxing. So I think that's really cool about this kit is that the products are personalized every month. So if you see something that somebody got the month before, you can put that in your request, and if they have it left, they will send it your way. So yeah, if you miss out on anything, there's a chance you might be able to still get it in your kit. So there's also the postcard, and Allison just says, "Happy September creating." And so let's get started on the items. So like mentioned, here's that One Canoe 2 date stamp, and I saw this, I think it was in Heather's unboxing from August, and I just love date stamps. This one has a slightly different font from the other date stamps I have, and I'm really excited to use this. I have usually one on my desk, one in my kind of crafty on the go bag, and so I tend to have them kind of all over the place. So I'm excited to use this one. I also got 2 rolls of washi tape, and I believe these are Creative Devotions, and this one's a little pink cross washi, and this one is kind of like a black label washi with white words, and once again this is a faith-based one, so these will be great for using in my Bible journal or note-taking. And I like that they're both thin because that makes it really easy to use for Bible journaling. And then in my request I also asked for stamps if she had them. So I also got this stamp set from Creative Devotion, and it's just a bunch of fun phrases and doodles. These will be great for Bible journaling and also for just like sermon notes or whatever, the today stamp and amen. And so those will be really fun to use, like either mixed media and Bible journaling or just like at the top of a journal entry to add a little something. I also got these Creative Devotion embellishments, and it looks like they're all die cuts, and you can see them on the back here. There's some lettered quotes, some of the doodle pieces, and I think they're all like cardstock, and it looks like they're single-sided. Those ones are just in there upside down, possibly. So yeah, once again, fun to use in a Bible journal. I also got these Pink Fresh Studio Office Hours Fabric Ephemera pieces, and these are, I'm a little curious to see. I love using like fabric washi tape and different kind of textural pieces. So these are fabric, and they do have adhesive on the back, so that's awesome. But I just love the texture on them, and I think, once again, fun to use in a Bible journal or kind of a art journal, mixed media type layout. Now, these alphabet stickers I actually received in my kit last month, so this is a duplicate for me, and I haven't decided if I'm going to keep these because I love them so much and I might go through the other package, or if I want to gift these to a friend. So I'm not upset that I got a duplicate. I really love these stickers. So Allison obviously noted that I really enjoyed them, and who knows, maybe I'll use them on another layout this month. I also got the September cut file. It looks like it's a little stack of books, and so those will be super fun to use, I think, in my book journal. And I saw last month that a lot of people like did paper piecing behind to fill in the gaps, so that would be a fun thing to do kind of in some of the spaces, maybe not all, but I was really inspired by how people used their cut file last month. So that's a cool thing about the kits, is everyone gets the same cut file, so you can kind of get inspiration on how to use it if that's not something you're too familiar with. And now papers. So I got some 6x8 papers. It looks like these are Maggie Holmes Sunny Days, I think. So this one's just a gold foil, looks like doves. Gold foil floral, blue polka dots. These, they look like drink umbrellas from the top. This beautiful floral, which I actually got the 12x12 in my last kit. Same with this one, but it wasn't foiled. But I love that when companies make 6x8 or 6x6 papers, they tend to scale down the pattern. So these are kind of smaller scale than the 12x12 papers, so they're fun to use in a different way. And then this one's just kind of like a spotty line pattern. That's kind of a fun, like more simple piece to use. I like that it's a white background. And then 12x12 papers. I didn't request cardstock in this month's kit. I tried it out last month, and I think that's super great if you're a 12x12 layout type person, but for the most part I just use pattern paper or white paper, so I didn't request to receive cardstock, plain cardstock this month. But I did get quite a few patterned 12x12 papers. So this one's Pink Fresh Studio. It's this beautiful floral with a watercolor background, and this paper is Highlight. Here's a One Canoe 2 Saturday Afternoon Treats and Trips paper. So this could be a cut apart with lots of like banners, and these are probably 4x6. And then this backside, which is lots of words on navy blue. And then this one, I think, is what Allison was talking about with some labels for me. So I could totally fussy cut these to get some awesome labels. And this is Pink Paisley Paige Evans Truly Grateful. And this backside is a fun leaf pattern. This is Chamel Head in the Clouds. And once again, I think these are labels that could totally be cut out and used as embellishments, or you could use it as a 12x12 paper. And then the back side is butterflies, pink and blue. I'm not sure. Oh, maybe this one's called Let's Sign Up. Oh, because it's signs. Okay. I get it now. This is another Paige Evans Truly Grateful, another beautiful floral. I love all the pinks and reds. And then a watercolor wash on the back. Here is Forward with Faith by Echo Park, and this is a faith-based paper. And yeah, another cut apart, so that's really fun to use in Bible journaling. These would make great tip-ins, either in a Bible itself or in like note-taking or journaling. And then a fun floral on the back. This one's called Journaling Cards for that side. And then another cut apart. So that's awesome because Allison must have noted that I do a lot of like bullet journal, planner, Bible journaling. So not a whole bunch of like layouts that I need big pieces of pattern for. So this is Pink Fresh, Just a Little Lovely, called Story. And I love these cut aparts, like this happy day at the bottom is so beautiful. So that's going to be really fun to use. I might go ahead and cut apart all the sheets I got just so I can have them all ready to go. And then another beautiful watercolor wash on the back. That's actually super pretty. I kind of want to cut it up. I kind of want this side too, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But thank you so much for checking out my September unboxing video. I received lots of fun goodies and I can't wait to start crafting with them. Hopefully I will have a couple more videos up throughout the month with projects. And be sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see even more photos and how I use everything. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.